Seems all of them's different, but the attachment kind of going to be standard fare on this type of cart. But a couple of washers are on each side and a cotter. I do a little metal finishing on this metal clear coat on the handle and all. Bring to your attention, I done already leveraged it up on each wheel, greased them roller bearings in there. Oh, I used that Harley Davidson wheel bearing type, the blue color. I think we'll be all right. Interesting comparison between these two engines. The green one being an international, about 1923 model, big tag, type M. The red rusty one there being a LBB designation, you know, with the filter type surface it would have. Late model, it's a 1946 model. They would cease producing the green style engines, changing over to the LB style red one. A multitude of improvements in engine design. But soon after, electricity production went in, bringing to mind from the manual in a stern type sentence, paragraph, say, do not operate this engine with that valve cover on there. So, you know, I'm just saying, need a valve cover on it. And a question comment you would have to leave in order for me to know the answer. But the question being is, it's a 1946 model. The wing nut on the front rocker arm assembly had valve cover. The single wing nut there that holds that on there. This not being the cast iron longer shank type as on the older model engines. I profess this is original to the engine. Checking with the manual for the year model of 46, it shows that wing nut and describes it, but does not give it a part number. I'm assuming hardware store item. So, you know, if you're going to restore this engine, that's the type wing nut you should have on it. Just saying. Leave a comment.
Help me out. Put the spout in there when I turn it up. You think it's out for you now? Well, we can move it out if you want to. It's up to you.
Okay. Yeah, it takes a lot.
Do you want to put that much in it?
Yeah.
Like it's full. Yeah, sweet.
Okay. Well, see what's happening?
What?
It's that baffle in there. Okay, see, it ain't got much in it now. You have to put some more in it. You might have to go slower. See what I mean? It's went away. think would weigh too much, is it? It's better earn on a full tank than a non. Yeah, okay. That's kind of surprising
What?
that was such a little bit of gas.
Well, it seemed like it, but I think a lot went in there.
Well, okay, I'm gonna refresh you that in the book. There's a quote in there that you don't supposed to run this engine with this cover off net.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But we're going to, so be cautious on that.
Okay.
So, yeah, okay. I think it's ready to start. Right. Yeah, okay. The further back this way right here is 3 horsepower, and the further up that way you go is the 5. You know. So, right, a couple notches up. Look, this ain't never been started. You know, okay, we need to, well, that spark plug wire, cut that flywheel, put a bent, a kink in it, 2 of them. So,
Alright, you wanna go with it?
yeah,
How you choke this thing?
on the top right there.
Right here.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, and right down there, you open up that needle valve. Did you choke it?
Yeah.
Held it down?
Yeah.
Did it feel like it sucked up some gas?
Well, I mean, I can't tell. I can hear it though.
Light says we go ahead and turn that into grade. How many times do you think it turned over before it started, and the
2.
choked it 2 times and it started like the next one? And that engine has set out for a long time, hasn't it?
Yeah, but it was covered. That's one thing I made sure of on it.
It'd be interesting to know the history on it.
but it was covered with a plastic tote, which you know sweat, and it was summertime, so it's one of them deals.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
it's A1 now.
Yeah, okay, pull it out a little bit more. And when you pivot it, yeah, see how stable it will be. Like when you get halfway around, well,
I think it's pretty good.
like right now, if you pivot it around this way and make a sharp turn,
Like this?
no, bring your hand around. Way around there.
Okay, hold on.
Come on around. There you go. Way around. Okay, now. Is it unstable or is it pretty stable at that?
Pretty stable.
Well,
It ain't gonna go over.
huh?
It definitely ain't gonna go over.
Yeah, okay.
There ain't no way.
But there wouldn't be no cause to get in that position, really. You know? But I'll get that handle welded up tomorrow and put a clear coat on it. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, we better put that valve cover on there.
It's a little dry.
They spend the whole paragraph in that book about there. Part of the safety campaign. I was watching Big Happy.
Yeah.
I watched that video where Big Happy done already extended them A-arms and reinforced frame. He be getting it done.
I'm gonna go get them wheels in.